Hi guys, I'm here again and I am going to show you how to make waffle using pancake mix. So what you're going to need is I got this Maya, the original hot cake mix. There. Then you'll need sandwich bags or Ziploc, but I got this sandwich box. Spider-Man, yeah. No, you got that too. So there's a whisk to mix, chopstick, and bowl. This one, I don't know what this is. This one. Spoons and
Hindi po mag-anjong dahil kahit po anong buto po, hindi ko po gagawa sa inyo eh.
I got 4 food colorings. I got red, violet, green, and blue. There's the blue one. So, set aside those things.
Ang galing mo pala manggamot. Salamat ha. Bili mo pala lang sa'yo.
Sabi naman sa'yo, tsaka ka na magpasalamat dahil di ba tapos ang problema mo.
Now,
Bakit? Ano ang problema?
we're going to get your hot cake mix and follow the instructions there. The instructions is here at the back, so you need a
Siguradong ligtas ka. Yun eh, kung makakapagti ka lang ng kwarto mo.
Pwede na rin. Pero...
you need an egg, yeah. You need a spoon.
Siyempre, hindi tayo maaaring magsama sa loob ng kwarto. Kung gusto mo, doon ka sa loob ng kwarto. Ako na lang sa
You
labas.
need
Huwag kang
3/4 cup of water.
Salos na lang.
Oh, sige. Hey.
And you need
Hindi naman.
a clean oil. Okay, set aside those things. Yeah, okay. Be sure that your desk is clean before you start. Okay, start off by putting in the 3/4 cup water in a bowl. Slightly beat the egg. There. You'll need a spoon. Okay. Pour some oil. 1 and 2. So, later.
Para makatulong sa kanila. Ikaw lang ngayon. Pahalawa mo na. Tulungan mo ako. Tulungan mo ako. Ako ba ako sa
Then get the hot cake mix.
kailangan yung tulong sa akin. Hindi sila ganito, Angel.
Clear off the lid and then pour it onto your
Wala nang
bowl.
sa samang bisyo. Nakalimutan mo ba ang Diyos? Kaya nabawalan ako ng pag-asa. Pag-isip ako,
There.
salamat.
Then we're going to mix it with a whisk. That's the consistency. If you can see it. Yeah, I mean you can see. Just follow the instructions on the box.
Change the way you think about money, you can get the best out of life. Make the best happen. BPI.
Over time, our bodies have changing needs.
Mix it very well, but the instructions say don't
Formulated for adults.
overmix. I prefer or advise you to whisk it with your hand, not with a machine, because the instructions says do not over mix. Now if you mix that very well and you got the consistency, get the 3 bowls. I got 3 bowls because I'm going to make violet, red, get your, like this one, and then pour it to the cup, like here. 1, 2. Make sure to pour it with an equal measure. So I got this little,
Malalim yata ang iniisip
I
mo,
don't
Angel.
know what thing is this.
Kasi naman din eh. Sa dinami-dami ng mga lalapitan ng
Yummy!
pagkakawaw. Ba't ako pa napili niya?
Malay mo, baka totoong nagsalita ang langit sa kanya.
Yan!
Ang dami-dami mga kausap ng langit. Pati pa.
Alam mo, isinasama ng loob mo. Walang masama kung tutuloy ka sa simbahan.
Yun na nga eh. Kaya nga ako nag-iisip. Dahil ko nga masama.
Iisa lang siguro ang ibig sabihin nito, Angel. Ano yun na, para mag-isip-isip ka. At
And if you got those 3 equal bowls with a hot cake mix, you're getting your food coloring. First, I'm pouring this violet here,
Sakali mo, tumulong ako eh. Ganun din ba gagawin mo?
here.
pero meron akong
I'm
isang
going
bibigay sa'yo, Angel.
to use a spoon to mix
I-blow
it.
out mo naman ako, nagugutom na ako eh.
Sige, Col. Alam mo, Tina, isa lang to sa mga
Then,
lugar
gonna
na
get
alaga
this
namin ni
one.
Ninong eh.
Your
Lalo
Ziploc.
na, proteksyon. Gusto mo yung pagkain dito?
Oo, ang sarap-sarap na eh.
Order pa tayo.
Ay naku, busog na ako.
Here.
Hindi. Kailangan matikman
Here.
yung specialty rito.
There's the purple one.
Masarap yun eh.
There.
Pwede.
Next color.
Dali ah.
You're gonna be needing your next color. It's blue. I'm getting this chopstick because you cannot pour it all or the color will be not right or it will be dark. And you don't want that color.
O talagang nakadya ka. Hindi mo. Ba't ba ang pamalit? Alam mo, niloloko mo ako.
Yeah, kailangan ko tingin yan.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang rin ako. Hindi ko kusunatan yung
And I want to add more.
pagkakawa mo sa akin eh.
More food coloring. Ah, my sticky stuff. This
Usapang lalaki
This
sa lalaki ito eh.
baking is a little bit messy.
At hindi yata
Messy?
alam itong kutong lupang ito. Kung sino ko.
I want darker.
Gusto niyo pang matinig ang tilaok ng manok bukas sa wala.
Okay, here's the color.
Hamon kita.
It's actually what I wanted. So next, you're getting your third bowl and giving it. Yeah. I prefer you to get another chopstick because the color will mix.
Tama mo. Papatalin naman.
I want red. If you want to make color pink and you don't have any pink food coloring, just put lightly color on the food coloring. Here, I want a reddish thingy, so it looks like blood.
Dito sa
It looks like blood. Ew.
Boss, masyado ka naman high blood eh. Kung talaga gusto mo yung ganito, bakit hindi na lang natin daanin dito sa dark?
There. Then I got the perfect color what I wanted. So next procedure.